Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Regrob.com, and today in this video we'll give you the actual view of Ambient Winds project by Ambient Group located in Kalikapur on EM Bypass, Kolkata. So friends, this is the project location and the left way leads towards Ruby Hospital. Here you can see the EM bypass and the metro connectivity. Now the right way leads towards Highland Park Garia. So the project is located in one of the prime location of Kolkata. It's totally an under construction project. It consists of a single tower with G+12 floor rise structure and total comprises of 44 number of units. It offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. And just next to this project, here is the Kali temple. As here you can see. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.